Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sunil Puboni, founder chairman of Swaacelso. I am very pleased to invite you all for the 10th annual conference of Swaacelso going to be held in Kuwait in February 2024. Thanks Huda for organizing this great reunion. I look forward to seeing many of our colleagues from all over the world besides our SWAAC countries. I will be talking on improving facilities for ECLS in developing countries as well as management of ECMO in tropical diseases. Once again, thank you one and all for visiting us in Kuwait. I look forward to seeing you. Please visit with teams. That is very important. Have a happy new year. See you. Bye.